Statement 7. Sometimes you're knocking on the wrong door. As you go through life, you may find the road you're traveling is bumpy. There are roadblocks, and progress feels rough and slow. It's easy to believe this is how it's supposed to be. That life is full of struggles and trials. That you must endure the pain to reach the prize. But sometimes these are lies we're telling ourselves. We're afraid to admit we haven't found our path. We settle for the struggle because we're taught easy things aren't real. It's important to take signals from life. If you're constantly reaching roadblocks, have you thought to change paths? Fear is a huge deterrent of this. Fear because hardship is everywhere. Nothing is all good all the time. But God. But that's when you have to do the joy math. In these trials and hard times, are you excited to find solutions? Are you satisfied when you make that next step, no matter how small? Or are you just going through the motions lifelessly? In constant frustration? Are you actually finding solutions? Or are you floating problem to problem until someone else fixes it or a bigger problem comes up? You are a solution to a problem in this life. Stop banging your head on the wrong door and take time to find the right one.